Just for clarification, when you talk about selling into strength, you mean sell puts on down days and sell calls on up days. And Nick is nodding aggressively.
That is correct.
Yes.
Yeah, it's relative to the position, right? So if you're getting long and you're selling a put, you want to get long at lower prices. And when you're selling a call or getting short, you want to get short at higher prices, and that's relative to your position. So when you say, I'm buying into strength, I'm buying into strength of this position, not necessarily the stock's strength. We're agnostic to the stock movement. Just because the stock's up on a day doesn't mean it's, a strong stock. It's relative to your position. So if you're selling puts, you're going to get the most extrinsic value, the most value selling it into a down move. If you're selling calls, you're going to get the most extrinsic value, the most potential value out of that position selling it into an up move.
Yep. And when it comes down to specific positions, and when we're generally talking about this, we're talking about selling premium and collecting extrinsic value. And if we're talking about rolling too, like if you have an in the money put where the stock is below your put, rolling into strength is actually when the stock rallies towards your strike, because now you have more extrinsic value. It's really all about where's the greatest extrinsic value situation that I can either collect or roll into. So that's generally when the stock price is moving towards the strike.
Cool.